So why would I work with the Medicare family? Why not just go directly with the insurance company?
Would I save any money by going direct?
Hi, I'm an insurance agent. And while I might look like just a nice lady to you, a mother of 4, military spouse for 32 years, Girl Scout leader, 4-H volunteer, what a lot of people look at me as a pariah, as a parasite, as some bad person that's trying to mess them up, steal their money, and help them make a very bad decision. And in the majority of cases, that's completely wrong, because we only get paid if we sell you something. So our benefit is to sell you something that makes you happy, so that you want to keep it and you're happy year after year after year, so that we can continue to get paid. So we don't want to just sell you something terrible and walk away. That doesn't benefit us. That doesn't pay for braces, soccer camp, or the new Nintendo, whatever they're begging me for that I said we can't afford. So our goal is to help you make the right decision. And a good insurance agent is independent. We represent dozens and dozens of companies. The person that can only sell for Acme Insurance is really gonna push Acme Insurance. And even if Acme Insurance is the best plan for you, you should be going, well, what else is available? What else is out there? And they can only talk about acne or Acme. That's your first clue that, they can only talk about that. Maybe it's not the best. Maybe there are other options. You don't buy the first car you look at on the car lot. You go around and you kick a bunch of tires. You might go to several dealerships and then you pick a car. So working with an independent agent is somebody that's gonna give you a lot of options. Now, we don't cost you any money. That's the big secret. You don't pay more to have an agent. If you buy the plan directly from the company, if you call them directly, you answer their email, you see their radio ads, their TV ads, and you buy the same plan, you cut the agent out, you pay the same. You don't save any money. So why wouldn't you want a live local person, the soccer mom next door, to help you? That way you can call up Sylvia and say, hey, I have a question. Because if you buy it directly from the company, every time you have a question, you gotta call the 800 number and get routed to a call center to get somebody that's a stranger that you get to start all over from the beginning explaining who you are. Versus calling the soccer mom next door and I'll be like, oh yeah, hi Jesse, yeah, I know what's going on. Okay, let me call them and figure that out and I'll call you back. That's the value that we're bringing to you, the independent agent. And that's something that most consumers don't realize because they think, oh, you're gonna cost me more. Doesn't work that way. You don't pay a dime more to have a local agent, but you get concierge service for the rest of your life. Call us at the Medicare Family, subscribe to our channel so that our family can help your family make your Medicare decisions.